a very happy Onam to all my dear viewers and welcome back to Art and Craft, a hobby. In today's video, let us see how to make a pookalam or the arrangement of colorful flowers on the occasion of Onam. The pookalam you will be watching in today's video is made with paper flowers. Along with the paper flowers, there are other elements like the boat and the coconut tree. So I am making the flowers as simple as possible. I'll be showing 3 different types of flowers, and the blue flower you're watching right now is the first one, for which I have defined the petals and I'm going to cut it accordingly. I'm going to give the measurement of the papers I've used for all the flowers in the description box. Here we'll need 2 colors of the same patterned flowers. I'm using blue flowers to depict water and yellow flowers to depict the sun rays. And the flowers are ready. The second flower is a simple fringed flower, for which I'm going to first cut a round template and then I'll fringe this template. I will be making these flowers in 2 colors. One is green and the other one is purple. The size of the base cardboard I'm going to use is 30 centimeters diameter. And for this sized cardboard, we'll need 12 green and 12 purple flowers. For the center of the flower, I'll be using a tight quilt coil of purple color for the green flowers and green color for the purple flowers. For the next flower, I'm going to use shades of orange. This flower is quite similar to the first flower which we made in blue color. However, the petals are much narrow and thin when compared to those flowers. Because of the number of petals, the flower is going to look much denser. The flowers are ready. I'm going to show you how to make the stamens for these flowers at the end of the video. To make the coconut tree, first let's make the leaves, for which we'll need a rectangle piece of paper, which you'll have to fold it diagonally and cut it. Now glue the 2 hypotenuse of the triangles or the longest side of the triangles together, placing a metal wire in between. And allow this to dry. Draw the shape of a leaf and then cut the template out. Fringe the leaf template in an angle from the outside to the center of the leaf. Do not make the fringes very thin. Also, ensure the paper you are using to make coconut leaves is thick enough. The paper I'm using here is 130 GSM. So this will give a firm look to the leaves or the strands of the leaves. Gently open up the leaf without tearing the strands, and one of our coconut leaf is ready. I'm going to make 4 such leaves for today's project. To make the coconuts, I'm going to use small pieces of tissue which I will roll into a ball, and I'll wrap this tissue ball with some green paper. You can alternatively use crepe paper or adhesive tape that is green in color, which works out well. And the coconut is ready. To make the dried inflorescence, here is a strip of 3 cm width brown paper which I have fringed, and I'm going to squeeze in each of these strands. To make the bunch of coconut, I'm going to glue the coconut, the inflorescence, to a wire with some glue. Once the bunch is ready, I'm going to wind the bunch of coconut and the leaves using some tissue to make a coconut tree. In a real-time pookalam, I don't remember seeing a whole of coconut tree placed with the pookalam, because this is a miniature project made with paper flowers. So I planned to make whole of the tree so that I can share with you all how I make it. And now I'm using some tissue and I'll start winding the leaves one after other. I'm not using any additional wire. It is the wire that is left out from the leaves which I'm using to wind around the tissue paper. If you are making this tree for any other project and you want a standing tree, you can use some binding wire so that the tree is firm and balanced. In this project, I'm going to place the tree in a lateral angle on a piece of cardboard. So I'm not going to use any wire for the trunk. I'm going to wrap it with the brown paper as you see in the video. A fringed brown strip again to make the roots. I'm going to use some brown acrylic paint to cover up any tissue paper that is visible. And the coconut tree is ready. This is the template I'll be using to make a boat. Boat race is a special event conducted during the occasion of Onam, which is called as Vallam Kali. I'm sorry if I've pronounced it wrong. So I have included a boat as well. I'm going to cut this template on a brown paper and I'll be gluing it as I'm showing in the video. I have trimmed the edges once I have glued the boat. Glue the other end as well. I'm now assembling all the elements. To start with the orange flowers, I'm going to glue these flowers onto a piece of paper. So these small flowers together look like a mayflower or a football lily with petals all over. I'm using this flower to depict the sun in this project. This is the piece of cardboard on which I'll be making the pookalam. I'm using some newspaper rolls to make the seats inside the boat. To make the oars, trim 3/4 of an ice cream stick and narrow it down. To make the stamens for the yellow flower, here I have a 2 cm width strip of orange color which I have fringed, and I'm going to make it into small pieces such that I get 3 to 4 fringes in one piece. I will glue each of these fringed pieces and I'll place it in the center of the flower. I'm going to repeat the same for the blue flowers with green fringed paper. Hope you all liked today's video of making a pookalam with paper flowers. If you did, please do hit the like button. Also share and subscribe to Art and Craft, a Hobby. Thank you for watching. Keep supporting.